This area of low pressure around Wyoming is going to skirt up to the Dakotas, kind of sit there for the next few days, bringing rain, mountain snow, and some very strong winds. Let's talk about the winds quickly. We could see gusts in excess of 60 miles an hour today, then gust 50 to 60 miles an hour tomorrow as that cyclonic flow around that low really brings those winds along with the rain and the snow. So we do have a high wind warning in effect for most of the area today. You can see including Billings with gusts up to 60 miles an hour. We'll put it down to a high wind watch tomorrow, but still very strong with gusts 50 to 60 miles an hour. And what's causing all this? Well, there's that area of low pressure. It's going to push up into the Dakotas. The next couple of days may just kind of sit there, allowing that wind to wrap around it, also allowing all that moisture to wrap around it. The eastern side of the state could get a good soaking off of this system. In fact, let's go ahead and take a look at what we're looking at in terms of the precipitation forecast. You take the snow, melt it down, you take the rain, you put it all together. You can see eastern side of Montana where we could see maybe a couple of inches of moisture. We could see about an inch of rainfall here in Billings, over a quarter of an inch in Cody, maybe upwards of an inch in Sheridan before the system moves out and makes way for hopefully a really nice weekend. Temperatures too going to be below average over the next couple of days. We're looking at highs in the 50s and 60s, but as that high pressure takes over at the end of the work week into the weekend, not only do we have drier conditions coming into play, not only do the winds calm down, but those temperatures warming up just in time for mama with highs in the 70s.